In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create your user account on CapCut. So if you don't have the CapCut app, go ahead and download it from Play Store on Android and App Store on iPhone. Once you have downloaded it, go ahead and tap on it to open. Then you'll get to this interface where you can start seeing videos that are already on CapCut. To create your own account, go ahead and tap on Me here. Then go ahead and proceed either to log in with TikTok, with Google account, or sign in with your email or Facebook. So I'll go ahead and sign in with my Google account. So if I click on this, it will take me to my email list. Then I'll choose one, and now the sign up is on. And then from here, go ahead and enter your birth date or the month. It's January, like that. So once you are done, go ahead and click on continue. And now here your account has been created. So if you want to go ahead and edit your profile, you can go ahead and click on edit and then change your photo if you so wish. You can also change your nickname. So I'll change my nickname. And it is changed. So go ahead and choose whether you want to display your gender or not. And you can also go ahead and edit your bio or add bio information as you wish. And now to start editing, just go ahead and click on edit and begin your journey. So that's how you sign up or sign into your CapCut account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.